So the bottom towel comes down and tucks into the pant line. The top towel comes up just to the end of the sternum. So as you can imagine, everybody's tummy is a different shape and size. And this is the key to the stress centre of the whole body. And obviously we've got the viscera, digestive system, gynecological system and the urinary system underneath. So we don't want too much pressure, but at the same time we do want to be working with the colon. So you've got the ascending colon is under here, coming from the hip bone up to the ribs. We've got the transverse colon coming across under the ribs, and we've got the descending colon coming down here from the ribs to the hip. So we're going to work clockwise so that we're going to improve the circulation and the digestion by working and helping peristalsis, which is the name of the movement of food through the digestive system. So I'm going to lubricate under the back because we've got a nice move for helping to release lower back pain here as well. So starting with a reinforced effleurage, we're not going to put too much weight under the navel because that's your bladder. So you don't want to be sending your client needing to go to the loo in the middle of your treatment too much. So you're going to do a nice circular effleurage all the way around the tummy, clockwise. Again, moulding to the contours of the body. So coming down over the side, fingertips moulding and your palms not lifting off. We don't want like an aeroplane coming to the side like that. We want to mould and follow the contours each time. So clockwise, round the tummy, stimulating peristalsis and relaxing the body. So this time I'm coming across, I'm just going to hover inside the hip and I'm going to effleurage up and lift my palm right off so that I'm not applying any pressure at all coming back. So we're coming up to the rib and lightly back. Up to the rib and lightly back. So thinking palm with the pressure, but not taking any of the hand off. We're still moulding, we're still keeping the fingers down and the thumbs. So we're going to do one more and then we're going to come across the transverse colon. So we're under the ribs, moulding as we come towards us and back on the fingertips. So get your nice wide stance, get a bit lower, flex your knees and bring your hands towards you and back on your fingertips with no pressure on the way back. So this is going to assist with anybody who has IBS, any digestive disorders. It's going to aid peristalsis. So I'm going to do one more and then on the next one I'm going to come up or across the transverse colon and then down, finishing inside the hip, coming back on the fingertips and down the descending colon. So my pressure's over here where my palm is, down the descending colon. This is an effleurage move. I'm going to do one more. Then I'm going to come over the navel, so not on the bladder, but by a bit higher over the navel, up to the solar plexus. So this is a nice relaxing move for helping to de-stress the client. So pressure up, lightly back. And then to finish, I'm going to go back into that nice circular effleurage. coming all the way down and around in a nice clockwise effleurage. And this time when I come to the near hip, I'm going to flick it away, untuck the pants, pull the top towel down and move on to the arm.